Yeah. So this is the real party feeling. So Dojo,
the real party is inside.
You have a drink?
I have a drink.
So if you don't have a drink, grab one, because drinks are essential in these trying times.
And also allowed on the CCC streaming.
I'm pretty sure.
I'm pretty sure
I
they
hope so.
are fine
If
with
not,
this. So
we'll
find out.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. And welcome back, Scene-Set. That's good.
Yes.
I'm going to turn to Frankie for our proper intro to this one. So, Frankie, Amigas.
Well, yes, basically best computer ever.
Absolutely.
Pretty much. Yeah.
It was so Amiga intro. So this is OCS and AGA. So it is the old and the newer chipsets. It's your 500 and your 1200, and maximum file size is 64 kilobytes, not 4K, 64K.
I have an Amiga 1000 at home.
I actually have a 1000 as well, and I need a Kickstart disk for it.
We can take care of that.
because the old Amigas did not have software built in. You had to load it from disk. That's where the hand comes from. It's just like, give me software, give me something basic to work, but not basic.
Who needs an OS? Write your own. Come on. An OS would only slow the Amiga down.
Well, that's if you're making demos if you're making demos as the first thing you do is like switch off the OS. Like if you would look at the older intros, they probably say like no OS libraries used. So that's there. So this is for the Amiga 500, by the way. You Make Me Smile by Desire. Yeah, compo filler. But tiny happy chiptunes. There's nothing wrong with tiny happy chiptunes.
Nothing whatsoever.
Nope.
Yeah, we're fading that one out because it loops. We're not gonna make you read the entire scroller. I think you should. I mean, come on, I didn't spend my teenage years reading scrollers for hours on end just so you guys didn't have to do it as well.
I learned English from all those scrollers. I really did.
You learned some English.
So I read them all.
7
2.
Yes.
5 a.m.
7
Hammerfist. It's Maze and Lowlife from Desire.
Yes.
Yeah,
The Amiga 500, but with 1 megabyte of memory. Imagine the possibilities.
On Desire.
Yes.
Third one coming up.
Debutro. Now, how can Nah-Kolor be saying that they're debuting?
I was going
It's
to
a
ask
new
that.
coder.
Oh,
New coder that they have, and
new code.
yes,
That works.
It's a Debutro for the coder, not for Nah-Kolor. They've been showing out productions like clockwork. It's incredible. Every Friday they have an entry.
They've been a group for weeks.
Days, I say.
Weeks. Yes, weeks. Debutro by Nah-Kolor. A nice little firstie. Nice little one.
Yeah.
Bears by Void. Help, can't flip with the paw. That would be my not pronouncing that very well.
That was entry number 4, Bears by Void. Are you a bear? Are you a bear, Frankie? Are you a bear, Truck?
Teddy.
Technically, no, I am not a bear. But I am also not a lizard. Yes. So, yes, SmashStash Announce by Insane. Just a little intro they slapped together. Hope we like it. We will, because it's Amiga. And it's an intro.
Was a sudden one. Okay, that was SmashStash Announce, entry number 5 by Insane. Just a little intro they slapped together.
We did have a question whether any of these were NTSC compatible, and I don't know.
Entry number 6 is Space Swap by Istari.
Trying to recreate a little slice of 1993. This could be good.
Yeah. I remember 93, we could go out.
Yeah, there's that.
Yeah, I feel back 92 and 93, I'm mail swapping again with all these small intros on pack discs. I'm mail swapping again.
I like this text. But
you have to read it in the rhythm of the original.
Entry number 6, Space Swap, Istari.
And now,
Yay!
You have been waiting for
Boozedrome! Yes!
Boozedrome by Dekadence. On the hill.
We should have
totally get tape now.
We need Aki here to announce this one.
40K
in vitro.
Aki.
Oh, yes. Okay. Also, I'm excited. We will now watch the Boozedrome thing.
Well, I'm entering, definitely.
Yes,
You should.
or Boozedrome.
Yay. Where are they going to hold it this year?
Same place.
Tell me that later.
Boozedrome Hill.
Entry number 8. Entry
Boozedrome
number
Hill.
8. Bugas by
Bugas.
Balrog Soft and Samplemind.
This is larger. Oh, and a widescreen.
Entry number 8, Bugas.
Gary Newman,
Balrog Soft
cars,
and Samplemind.
instant win.
No, Boozedrome.
Yes, Boozedrome also. Both of them win. Everybody
Yes.
wins.
Yes.
On fire.
Nah-Kolor wins because with the second entry in this compo. On fire.
Yes.
Yeah.
Party version. Final version coming soon to the internet near you.
Oh, widescreen A500.
Nah-Kolor were on fire there, I think, eventually.
That was, well, yeah, there was, I was a little worried at the front.
Yeah, we were. Don't do that to us next time, okay? Entry
Planet
number 10,
Disco
Planet
Ball.
Disco Balls, Planet Jazz.
There's a track that's in my head right now that I need to get out of it. I mean, I'm just... Certain song is right in my head right now.
Number 10, Planet Disco Balls by Planet Jazz there. I was honestly expecting Genio to have been part of that, but apparently not.
I'm not sure that I managed to cram all that in 64K, to be honest.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh, Ham gets his entry in. And could just... Oh. Dual Panoply.
And
by software failure. And, yes. Does somebody else want to pronounce that properly?
software failure. Dual
No, the other one.
Dual Panoply.
Thank you.
I think in English. Wish. In widescreen. Cool.
Entry number 11, Dual Panoply there.
By software.
By software failure.
Definitely not a failure, this.
No, there.
Absolutely not.
Never.
And that's it.
That was a compo as well.
It was absolutely a compo.
Well, every compo's been a compo so far. This is good.
Yes, one of them got interrupted, and I will say there has been some concern voiced that people might forget to vote. Please don't forget to vote. Go vote.
No, don't. That bit's still working.
Well, we'll see if anything can be done about any of the other things. I was going to say something.
Now that we've gone to different streamers, have you completely undercover to be not recognizable with your hat and your sunglasses on at 10:30?
Yeah, I've decided to, time? In honor of our new hosts, I've decided to adopt my hacker persona.
Oh, well.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's a good point.
Change t-shirts.
I'll put my hat on.
I'll fetch something. Hey, I have one like that somewhere.
Not exactly like this one. I don't think you have.
No, I have.
You just steal each other's clothes all the time.
Well, yes, we have the same.
He's wearing my shirt right now.
I'm not.
He's got my Sting shirt on.
Yours is behind there. Come on, Ski-Phone. This is not your shirt. This is mine.
I do just want to
Butts in
say as well.
seats.
I have just said we've just passed 3,000 viewers of the stream as well. So we took a lot with us from Twitch.
We did.
hello.
Let's just give mad props to Daya and Shana of our social media team who got that URL out in microseconds and have been like typing until their fingers bleed on all social media. It's just
I know. I tweeted the URL out, and I think within like 20 seconds, there were like 20 more. There were 20 more people who'd shared the link. It was great.
I will say that the IRC channel, the Revision IRC channel, has absolutely picked up again. And for those of you who are actually using your Amigas and so forth, it's still there. It's on IRC net, and we aren't going anywhere. So, just wonderful intros. Had some compo filler at the beginning, as always. And that's good to see. Also, all of you that were saying earlier, well, I can't make something. Start out with something compo filler. It's easier.
A logo and a scroller is an entry.
Yes.
Period.
Yeah, and a tune. And a tune. I'm sorry, I'm obliged to say that.
Oh, no, you do. That's a very good point. Get somebody to work with you making the music if you don't make music yourself. But yes, then you have an entry, and sometimes that's all the energy and time you have, and that's okay.
Anyway, enough Amiga for now. Enough Amiga for now. Not that there ever is enough Amiga, but there's
We're going to
never
switch
enough
over to the
Amiga,
PC 4K for a bit.
We need